Hello everyone, my name is Bhola Kumar and I want to learn English language and last 3 months I learning English language and a very long time I saw how I improve my English language and how I improved English language and what I speak front of camera. So that's why I'm making this video. So I will talk about what I improve English language and what I want learn English language. So first of all, when I was class 12th and I went to job purpose in the city and so this was a company and company owner said yesterday yesterday you give an interview and you are not selected that interview. So I asked what is the reason behind this rejected because your English is very big. So first of all you will improve English communication skill and after that you can interview. So I realized how I will improve English language. So I have a two option. First of all, I will learn English language on myself, and second option, you can join any English spoken classes. So I chose second option. So I joined English spoken classes. The cost is 7,000 rupees and continuously I went 1 month and I thought my English not so improving and I saw lots of people who did join that coaching and he was not able to speak English. So I saw the reason is he little bit practice and if you want to speak English language so you will have more hard work like present time I am doing. So I think this institute not for me, so I quit that institute and I decided I will learn English language in myself. So I did like four part of learning English language. First of all, reading, writing, and listening or speaking. Because several times I saw on YouTube how to improve English language. So most of the people said if you want to improve English language, so there are major four part and you can learn it easily and you can speak without any hesitation and without any fearness. So friends, this is my story of learning English language. So friends, if you want to improve and if you want to learn English language, so you can follow this process and you can improve English language. Initial days I fear of English. Lot of time I fearness. So I decided when did you fear English language? So if you improve English language, you have to speak. You have no any option. So I started today. I will speak English. So this is my story to learn English language.